Whoa! Hey guys, welcome back. Today I received my Luxy box from Boxycharm. This is for the month of March. Kind of confused on what month we are right now. This is a $49.99 subscription where you get it every 3 months. I also received this month for the first time the premium box. I'm going to go ahead and put the video link in the description if you want to check that out. But we're going to go ahead and dive into this box. So if you want to see what items I received in my box, grab your coffee, your tea, whatever it is you're drinking this time of day. And let's go ahead and dive into my box. So it looks like the packaging is a little different. This time I'm noticing there's paper in it, which I totally don't mind. Sometimes I'll get bubble wrap. We still do have the foam. So this is how it normally would come. And the first thing we always have that I start out with is a little brochure. So this is pretty edgy. In case you're wondering, I did get variation 13. I have seen some of the variations go up to like around the 40s. So I know there's a lot of variations in this box. Now I've been lazy and I didn't want to put up my ring lights. So lately I've been filming in the kitchen, but right now it's rainy, it's gloomy, so this is the best natural lighting in the house. The other rooms are really dark, and as I said, I've been too lazy to set up my ring light. Hopefully the lighting in this video is okay. The first thing I'm pulling out is Bombshellbreaker. Oh, Baker. I can't read. So these are straws, which I'm really excited for. I believe this is one I selected, if I'm not mistaken. So I like how it has this little velvet little little case, and then you have your straws, which I received from FabFitFun, some silicone straws that I really like. So I'm glad to try these ones. And then we have the little brush for it. So that's pretty good. I am excited for the straws. I know a lot of people are like, I don't want straws in my box, but I really am excited for the straws. And those retail for $21, and they're 4 gold straws, gold-plated straws. See, I wouldn't pay $21 for straws, so I'm glad they come in my box. Next, we have the Tarte's Pro Remix palette, which I was excited for this one. I do really like Tarte's palettes, the formulas on majority of their palettes. This is a really nice one. I was excited for all these shades. And it has like a nice smell. Okay, I'm just gonna grab a couple so we can just check out the formula on that, throw in a few mats. I'm just gonna start off with this first row right here. So, ooh, those look really nice. I mean, some of them are a little, there's some fallout, like there's some fallout here and here, but I don't mind it. That means it's really, really pigmented. If you see me struggling here, I don't have a table. I have like my box on my lap, so I'm having a little difficulties right now, but we're gonna get this video done. And that retails for $49. So Boxycharm is giving us another palette. So we have 2 this month, and this is the Boxycharm palette. This palette was sent out for PR to some people who received it, and I was kind of jealous, especially when I saw how good, when it was being reviewed, how good it was. So this is really cute. It has some of the like Boxycharm _Luxe, Boxycharm Swap. These are some of the Boxycharm groups. So I thought that was really cool. Boxy Bellas, Boxycharm Beauties, Boxy Babes, Boxycharm News, Boxycharm Canada. I mean, there's a lot of them on here. This is kind of like a little recognition for them. So I'm really glad about that. Okay, so that retails for $39, and that's kind of pricey. It's not that big of a difference in price with the Tarte palette. You know, I didn't even swatch these. Let's swatch a few. There's a lot of glitters here. Let me show you. You can see that. There's a lot. So this is really cool. It has Boxy, Charmer, full size, exclusive, spoiler, Luxy, unboxing, sneak peek, premium, swipe up, pop up, and cup of joe. That's funny. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm going to try to grab a matte, a shimmer, just a few. So that looks really good. This one didn't swatch very good, but you probably have to pack that one on. I'm not going to knock it with just the swatches. We're going to have to play with that. Okay, the next we have from Becca, which I love Becca. This is the Skin Love, the Glow Glaze Stick. And this retails for $28. So let's see what this actually is. It's a lipstick. I'm gonna go ahead and read this one. Repulsed Facial Glow in a Stick. An ultra sheer translucent highlighter that impacts a dewy, glossy-like sheen to skin. Enriched with Becca's Glow Nectar Brightening Complex for healthier looking and more radiant skin. One universal shade creates a glass-like glow on all skin tones. I don't know if I should use, yeah, I can't even, I did it in the wrong spot. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, there it goes. Yeah, it's very subtle. I think that's really pretty. And it does feel creamy, but it has like a wet texture. I don't know if I like that. It feels more like a lip gloss, but it's drying down. Let me see, I rubbed it in. Nope, it's still there. So maybe just rub it in. But at first it did have a very lip glossy, waxy feel to it. And then next we have our Bum Bum Cream, which I love. I like the small packages. I have a, I think it's a medium. I don't think it's a full size, a medium. And then I have another one this size, which I like because I can just throw them in my purse. This is the Coconut Cabana Cream. And they both smell yummy. This one's, that one's so good. But I do definitely have this one. But they both smell good. I don't know which one's my favorite. I don't know. I actually think the Cabana one smells a lot better. They will smell really good. Okay, so those retail for $15. I don't know if it's $15 each or $15 for both of them. I'm not sure. Probably for both of them. Then we have the Deborah Lippmann polish. I do have another set of these, but different shades. And I actually haven't even tried them, but they're sitting there. And these retail for $19. They're really cute little polishes. And I'm always getting polishes in when I go do my nails. I'm gonna take my own polish. So this way I have the color if I need to touch it up at home. And I never do. I always just get the one that is at the nail salon, whatever it's called. So I really gotta start using my polishes. Those are really, really cute. I would totally use these colors. $19, look how small that is. That's really small. Look at compared to my finger. That's super small. So I don't know about $19. Okay, so the last thing, and I was actually really curious about this one. This is the PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleanser Device. And I'm glad I got the dark color. There was another color, pink, blue, I don't remember. But I'm glad I did see that this was one of the colors they were gonna give out. And I'm really excited I got this one. This is the one I was really wanting. It has a little cap so that you can sit it up on your table. It has the little bumps right here for your face, and then the little bristles. And it comes with the battery. I always say I like these and then I'm gonna use them, but then I end up not using them. I use them for a little while, but that's me. That's just, I'm not a creature of habit. I always say I'll never be an alcoholic because I cannot pick up habits. I'm too lazy, I think. Okay, wait, I don't know how to open this. Unscrew base and insert battery. I tried unscrewing, I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna break it. There it goes, I think. So yes, it has different vibrations, so let's go for the first one. Can you hear that? Then we're gonna go to the second one. That's a little higher. Then the third one. It's like stop and go. And then one more. That's like a sprinkler. And then the fourth one turns it off. I think that first one is kind of strong on my face. So we'll see how that works and if I actually stick with it. All right, guys, so that's everything I have. I don't think I'm missing anything. I'm gonna go ahead and add it all up. Okay, if I add this up right, it's $205 total for my box, and I paid $49.99 for it. If it's incorrect, I'm gonna go ahead and put the correction right here, but I believe I added that correctly. No, I think I didn't. I think it's $305 or $304. I don't know. My math is off today. I'm gonna go ahead and put that right here for you. But let me know, what do you guys think of the box? I like the fact that I got 2 palettes. It is good. I keep looking down because I don't have a table in front of me and I have everything on the floor. So we got the Sol de Janeiro cream, which we've already received that a few times in BoxyCharm. So maybe they could replace that with something else. But I know a lot of people do like the Sol de Janeiro, but maybe keep that in the add-ons and let's try something new in our boxes. I don't know. That's my feelings. I guess it was a pretty good box. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts and your comments in the description below. I'm gonna go ahead and do a try on and designate a video just for those specific palettes and for try it on and play with makeup. So those videos are to come. I also have one coming up on the Fenty Beauty products, and that's about it, guys. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. This way you don't miss a video or anything that I have for you. As always, guys, I love you, and I'll see you in the comments below or my next video, whichever comes first. Have a blessed day.